Hey guys, welcome back to my channel High on Life Dreamer. My name is Karima and I hope you all are doing really good. Now I know I'm seeing all of you after a very long time and there's a reason why I could not make videos on YouTube. I'll share that in the next video, but in this video I've got something special for you. So I saw this recipe on Instagram the other day. I don't remember who made it. It was in a reel and I really loved it and I wanted to try it. So I thought, let me try it and show you how to make chicken roulades and spaghetti. So today in this video, we are going to make these two things and see how it comes out. So come on, I'll take you to my kitchen. So guys, for making chicken roulade, we'll take some chicken breast and we're gonna sprinkle it with some seasoning. So I've taken oregano seasoning here. Sprinkle it with it. Then take some chili flakes. Again, sprinkle it, and some salt to taste. And we're not going to marinate it, but we're just going to leave it like this for some time. Meanwhile, I'll be preparing the filling that I'll be putting into it. Okay, so for filling, I have taken some chopped mushrooms here. Okay, some blanched spinach and some cheese. So we're gonna mix it together. Now we are going to fill this chicken breast with this filling that I've made. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some here, roll it like this, and pin it with a toothpick. So your roll will look like this. Okay, I'm going to do the same with the rest. Okay, so now we are going to steam this chicken. So I've taken steamer and I'm going to place my chicken into it. And we are going to cover this for 15 minutes. Now the next thing that we need to prepare is the sauce, okay, the red sauce. So I am going to make some homemade sauce. I've taken a few tomatoes here and we are going to blanch it for some time and then we are going to convert it into a puree. So now once your tomatoes are blanched, they look like this. Just peel off the skin and put it in a jar to make it into a puree. So I'm just gonna grind it so that it converts into a smooth puree. So this is how your puree is going to look. Okay, look at the consistency. Now we are going to cook it on a medium heat so that it is this consistency is somewhere not this liquid, and we are going to use this sauce in something else also that I'll tell you later. Now to make this red sauce, we'll be needing these ingredients. Okay, so chopped onion, chopped garlic, some olive oil, some butter, salt to taste, some red pepper, and your regular herbs. Now to make this sauce, add some butter into a pan along with some olive oil. So I never just put olive oil ऐसे ही because then वो थोड़ा जल जाता है और flavor भी अच्छा नहीं आता है. So always put it with the butter. Now once it's heated, we are going to add garlic. Italian cooking is my favorite because it takes very less time and it is so yum. So इसको ज़्यादा red नहीं करना है like in Indian cooking. हल्का सा when you feel the garlic has left its flavor, left its flavor in the oil, just add onion. Now this basic red sauce is the life of any Italian food that you want to make. Pizza, pasta, you need red sauce. And I prefer making my red sauce at home, because then I have the control how much spicy I want, what kind of consistency I want. So it's better, obviously, and it doesn't have any preservatives. So then it makes a lot of sense. Just cook it at home. Now just stir the onion and garlic. And you have to make sure that, while in Indian cooking, हम onion को बहुत ज़्यादा red करते हैं. So here, once your onion starts turning pink, we'll be adding tomatoes into it. Now that we see our onion is pink in color, we're going to add this puree into it. Just mix it. Now after stirring it, I'm going to add salt. Just add salt according to your taste, whatever way you prefer. Some red pepper, some black pepper as well. I like the taste of it. Some chili flakes. And the oregano. I love oregano. Like, it is the basis of Italian cooking, I feel. I love Italian food because of oregano. I'm just gonna take some. This is how I like it. Wow. The flavor is exotic. Now we are going to leave this on a medium heat and let it cook for some time. Okay? Now just cover the red sauce and let it simmer on a medium heat. Now while our red sauce is getting cooked, we are going to prepare the white sauce, because that is what we are going to use in the chicken roulade also. Okay. So for white sauce, we are going to add some butter in the pan. Just make sure the gas is at medium heat. And we are going to add some maida and stir it. So once you see that, this flour has started changing its color, we are going to add some salt. Now add salt according to taste. Okay. And some black pepper into it. And just mix it. Now we are going to add some cold milk into it. And once you're adding it, just stir it so that it doesn't form any lumps. Stir it very gently. Now once you see the sauce thickening, you can add some cheese also, like I've added here, and mix it thoroughly. So now you see our white sauce is ready and our red sauce is also ready. Now let's bake the chicken roulade. So this is how our chicken is going to look once it is steamed and cooked. And now we are going to cut it into pieces like this. So for bake it, we need a tray. You can take any shape, be it round, oval, square, rectangular. I've taken a rectangular baking tray here. So first, we are going to put some. So first, add this red sauce that we made. It will be the base of our dish. Okay, just take it as a base and spread it over the baking dish. Now add these chicken pieces into the tray. Now the next step is we are going to add this white sauce on top of it. And now we are good to go. We are going to bake this dish for 10 minutes in a preheated oven, and then let's see what's the result. So while my chicken roulade is baking, I am quickly gonna prepare for my spaghetti, which is the second dish of the day. So I've taken Del Monte spaghetti here. It's a whole wheat spaghetti. We are going to boil water and we are going to put spaghetti into it. So bring water to a boil, add some salt and a little bit of virgin olive oil, and let it boil for maybe 20 minutes. I've taken half spaghetti here and I'm going to add this into the water. It's okay, it doesn't fit the container because once it boils, वो थोड़ी soften होगी and वो अपने आप नीचे slide हो जाएगी. So that is fine. Let it boil. Spaghetti is done. See, wow. Okay, I've blanched it, taken out the excess water. Now I'm just gonna quickly take some olive oil and add few garlic cloves. I like the way they give texture to this. Not much, just 2 garlic cloves. Let them just saute in the oil. And this is very simple. We have already done the hard work. Our sauces are already ready. We just need to add the spaghetti into the sauce and you are going to get an amazing dish out of it. Okay? So now our garlic is also done. We are going to add this red sauce into the pan. Since it is already cooked, we don't have to cook it for very long, just maybe 1 minute. Okay, and I'm going to add some of this white sauce because I like my spaghetti cheesy also. So just add maybe a little bit of white sauce, just this much, just to give it that creamy texture, and mix it. Actually the sauce turns pink. Okay, once this is done, we are going to add the spaghetti into it. Wow. Just mix it. And this is done. See, very juicy and very tasty this, I'm so sure. Just pour into a dish which is ready to serve, and ta-da, our spaghetti is done. Finish it with grated cheese. I'm not adding any more because I've already added my white sauce into it, but it is good to go and it is ready to serve. And this is how our chicken roulade is going to look like. Isn't it yummy? Do make it at home and let me know if you like it in the comment section. We are going to enjoy it and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.